Hi, could you
Hello,
please introduce yourselves and your company's core mission to first-time consumers?
hello. My name is Bob Gazich, and I'm a vice president of global impacts and Supertech fabrics. And we're excited to get into the technical textile space here in North America. There are some great opportunities that we feel like we have in our strategic alliance with Supertech to connect with the North American customer and deliver them a full palette of services on their needs. So we're excited to be able to do that.
My name is King Mukherjee. I'm the president of Global Impex USA. And we are now venturing in this technical textile space with our strategic partner, Supertech Fabrics Private Limited. We are very excited to be a part of the upcoming show in Frankfurt. Also display the products which we have developed in recent years, as well as to learn and meet some of the customers. We have done a lot of R&D, so we are very ready to meet you.
Next question. Can you please describe your commitment to delivering innovative textile solutions and explain how this commitment translates into tangible benefits for customers?
We are very excited about the team that we have back with Supertech in India. They're a very competent group of individuals that have made significant capital investments in equipment and people to be able to design and develop solutions to what customers need here in North America. So we're pretty excited about that as an opportunity. As far as what we will deliver, our goal is to meet and exceed the expectations of our customers. And it's through the competency of the team that's emerged that we'll be able to do that.
We have done a great R&D. We have studied the market well. We have these new machines. We already have done a very successful filtration show in Chicago, Filtex in October. So we are very ready for this show in technical textile area. We have the latest of technology, and we have partnered with the best in the business. We are ISO 9000 certified, ISO 14000 certified. We develop as part of the REACH standard. So we are all set to be a great international player in the marketplace in space of technical textile. We have taken our time. Now is the right time for this launch. And we hope to see you, in our booth in Frankfurt.
What are some notable products and breakthroughs in technical textile solutions that visitors at your booth can expect to see?
Most of the technical textile products which we have been developing has been in industries like cement, your filtration industry, oil and gas. These are cutting edge products. So that is the teaser. We will give it from our side because we want you to come and stop at our booth and see the wide range of products which we have come up with. So hope to see you at our booth very soon in a couple of weeks' time.
Yes, I mean, we have a standard, line of products that we feel would meet the needs of a large portion of the marketplace. However, I mean, we have an innovative team back in India that's ready to really kind of create and apply their knowledge and their experience to the industry to create some products and categories for the customer based on the customer's needs. So we're really interested in kind of learning more about what the customers want and what they need, and then to put and create an application for them. So we really do want them to come and visit us at the booth and for us to have a conversation, really more of a kind of a get to know you, to understand what they need and what they expect, and for the customers to kind of understand and get to know us as well. And then we can go from there. That's what our objective would be.
Yeah, and to add to that, we are an OEM manufacturer. So we tailor make products as per the customer needs and requirement and specs. both from fire standards to other standards. So that's what we are really good in making OEM products.
Could you share some notable milestones and achievements your company has attained, particularly in terms of advancing Techtextil products to meet the evolving needs of customers?
Well, I would like to give you with some specifics, but we have signed some non-disclosure agreements with a number of companies here in North America, so it's hard to give specifics. But I'm telling you the opportunities and what the market is inquiring and what our capabilities of delivering is really quite exciting. So as we mentioned, being an OEM, the product and the categories are kind of connected to the expectations and the needs of the customer, and that's what we're working on delivering. But the process, the sales process, is a longer process. It's not a quick, 20-minute conversation. There's a depth and breadth to the conversation with the customers to understand, their specs and needs, and vice versa for them to understand what our capabilities are. So it's really kind of exciting because we're developing something, in some categories very unique for our customers.
Yes, and we have a lot of proprietary issues to do. We have a lot of NDAs to sign. We sign NDAs almost these days every single day, it seems. So we are not in the privilege to do that. But I can say from our last trade show in Chicago, for the Filtech show, there was a wide range of products we displayed. We got an excellent mileage, and we hope to continue the same kind of brand image as we have experienced here in America. We want to replicate the same thing while we are in Frankfurt.
What steps does your company take to ensure transparency and accountability in the sourcing of materials and manufacturing process so that customers have a peace of mind in what they're buying?
Well, I mean, our philosophy, King and I and Utsav, we have open channels of communication. We're honest and authentic with one another, and because of that, our goal is to treat our customers as we treat one another. And so, we feel, or at least I'll speak for myself rather than King and Utsav. One of the easiest thing in the world to do is to sell a customer the first time, and the hardest thing is to sell them a second time. And so our goal is to really understand the needs and the expectations of these customers, because these are, technical products. They're high-end value products. So it's important for us to hear and to understand what it is that they're looking for, and then to deliver these goods to them so that they're comfortable. We're helping them with part of their process, and we're part of that value-added chain in their business cycle as well. So we recognize that, and we only will do what we can do. We won't tell them things that we can't do. That's not our mojo. Our mojo is to tell them what we can do and to deliver to that.
And to add to the Bob's point, on technical side, we're ISO 9001 certification, ISO 14000. Most of the products, we make sure we follow the REACH guidelines, all the environmental laws. So we are very well equipped, both in our manufacturing facility as well as the products, as well as the management level, to meet those high standards and have peace of mind while they are 8,000 miles away, or 6,000 miles away, or 10,000 miles away.
All right, that's the end of the questions. Is there anything else you'd like to say to potential customers?
I think the main thing is come and see us in the booth of our technical textiles, which is from 23rd to 26th of February at Frankfurt. And please visit us in our booth. Our booth number will be Stall F for Frank, number 22, Hall 11. I repeat, it is Stall F for Frank 22, Hall 11, and under the umbrella of Supertech Fabrics Private Limited. We have a beautiful green logo there. So please stop by, say hi, and we'll be very happy to sit down and talk to you more and show some of the things which we have been innovating.